Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw our favorite cartoon friends, Doraemon and Nobita gang. So let's start the drawing. First, I'm drawing the outline using a black pen. I'm starting with Doraemon, and then Nobita, Shizuka, Gian and Suneo. Take your time and draw slowly. Don't skip this video because at the end, Doraemon will look super amazing. Wait till the end to see the final magic. The last part is my favorite, don't miss it. Look at Doraemon's big smile. He looks so happy today. The most exciting part is coming. Stay till the end to see all characters fully colored. I'm drawing Shizuka. She's very kind and sweet. Watch carefully. Her drawing is super cute. Something special is coming at the end. Now I'm drawing Jan. He is very strong and funny. Watch till the end. He will look super cool. Wow! The drawing is completed. The Doraemon family looks amazing. Everyone looks so happy together. Now comes the most fun part. Coloring time. I'm coloring Doraemon in blue, Nobita's dress in red and blue, Shizuka in pink and purple, Gian in yellow, and Suneo in sky blue. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Wow! The drawing is completed. The Doraemon family looks amazing and colorful.